Okay, where does this go? Got a lot of oh, wipers. Oh. Got every single thing. Oof, oof, oof. Ooh, I think it's in. What for? I got one extra. I couldn't see any space at the back though. Where did this go? Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. That was stairs to go up. Okay. That means that will go like this. Yoo-hoo. Oh my god. This is crazy stuff. This is crazy stuff. Does this goes here? Yeah. I literally thought that I can open these doors as well. If those doors are open, oh my god. Oh, we can remove the roof though. Oh, nice. That's pretty good. Okay, I think they have given spares as well. I guess so. Like, yeah, there's spares. Come on. Okay, so what else? What's this? Look like gates 1, 2, but we just got less. Extra. Oh, so okay. Red one. Oh, okay. This goes here. One big one. Oh, big ones go here. Yes. Yes. Okay, so one mistake. This red one will go up here and oh, like I stuck it. Wrong placement, because you can't have two reds together, you know. So this red, and then these are the indicators over here. See, what do you think? So I think it should be like this. Ooh. All done except this one. Okay, so I can put this here or this right here. Okay, but what else we got here? Okay, no, I need to have tools with here. I think we got some bit less stuff. Okay, one is for the fuel, which goes up here. No.